Hi friends, today I will show you how to do a forwards roll. First I will demonstrate and then we will break it down. So I don't have a lot of space to do this, but I will do my best in the space that I have. So the easiest way to start learning is to use your pole to help you lift your hips up. It is harder to do it without the pole. So it's good if you have shoes or if you have some socks you can wear. That would be better because then it helps to be able to drag your toes up. So you want to lay on your stomach. The arm that's closest to the pole will grab onto the pole in a little bit of a 90-degree angle. You will look to the pole. The other arm over here, away from the pole, will reach out to the side to help you push up. And as you lift the hips, you will come on to the outside shoulder. So I don't have socks on, so I'm going to help myself get up a little bit more easily. So look, I will start to come on my outside shoulder. Once I have gotten my hips as high as I can, I will start to turn my head and look to my belly and then roll down. Ideally, you want to do a nice dramatic arch down and up. So to be able to do this, you just need to be able to get those hips high enough. The reason why I see people not be able to is either they don't have enough abdominal control to pull the legs up, the abdominal strength isn't quite there, or some other muscles are just tight in their body and they can't quite form that piked position with the hips up. So you just really need to get those hips quite high. And once you can't go any higher, that's when you start to look to your stomach and you will be able to roll right over. A lot of pressure does go into the outside shoulder, but push through your hands to help take the weight off your shoulder, and that will be helpful. You can also use the pole to pull up on the pole a little bit so that you can take the weight off that shoulder. Okay, I'll try the other side. Take off my microphone. So I will always look to the pole, reach with the opposite hand, pike as high as you can. Look, then I start to look to my stomach as I roll over. I hope that gave you an idea. You can practice off the pole, away from the pole without grabbing on, but it's the same thing. So you would be on the stomach. Instead of grabbing on the pole like this, you would push the hand on the ground instead of on the pole. And you would do the same thing. You would lift the hips up and roll over. So maybe that's easier for you. You might as well give it a try and see which version you like. Maybe you like the one with the hand on the pole, or maybe you like hand on the ground. But you want to look away from whatever arm is straight. So for this one, this arm is straight. Look away, because that's the shoulder you're going to roll up onto. I forgot an easier way, actually. An even easier way to do it is to start on your knees. I forgot about this. This is a good little trick. Much easier. You can start, on the knees, reach for the pole. The outside arm will reach down flat. Look at this. You can bring your booty up so that you don't have to pull it up using your abs. And then you can lift the hips up. Look how easy. And you can roll over. So that is by far the easiest way to start. And this is a really good transition for when you're doing like pole choreo or floor work of some sort, because you might be on your knees folded up like this and you might be like, how do I like unwind this without it looking funny? So I think one of the best ways to get out of this legs folded under position could be a nice little forwards roll. And it would be the same thing If you're going on the other side, same thing. You would do like, see how my arm always tends to have a little angle to it? That's important so that you have nice control. You don't want your arm to be up here or way down here, right about shoulder height, and have a bend in your arm. And then you do the same thing on that side. So I hope that helps you learn how to do the forward roll. Let me know in the comments how it goes.